Hello everyone, this is Jamerica with Jamerica Life. Guess what? My turnips grew back. And I saw a snail crawling up in there. I was like, oh no, 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 no. Those leaves are mine, baby. So let's go ahead and get these turnips. About 2 weeks ago, I came and I harvested turnips. Well, they're here again. My brassicas are brassicaing. I'm halfway there. Y'all. I've been doing stuff off camera. But today is about the turnips. Here we go. Here I go, here I go, here I go, here I go. All I'm doing is breaking it off. Look at that. That is snail damage. Let's thin it out. I ain't gonna let them rob me. No, no, no. I like turnips too much. See? I see a snail already. Their defense is to fall down. That's their mechanism. They just fall off the leaf. They don't hold on like other bugs, no. They drop down. You'll never know they were there unless you see them fall. Yep, snails. I got snails. I got snails. Yep, they came back with a vengeance. That's all right. They're gonna go to a good cause. I'm right there. Thinning them out. I think I'm gonna put some well, I got blood meal down and it hasn't been 4 months. I'll have to think on it. Just thinning them out. If I see a snail, I just pick it up. Okay, I think I got almost enough. it out almost enough. Snails don't like the sun. They like dark spaces. So I'm opening this joker up. And that's what I'm doing. Plus, I love turnip greens. Yes, I do. Okay. Looking kind of sparse. That's how I like it. Nowhere for them to hide. And I'm getting my crops. All right. Don't want anything to be too dense. I don't want them to be able to hide. Opening this joker up. Yep. Sure am. All right, and for the snails, let me see if I see any more in here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, these go to the chickens, and this is for me. Let's see how much we got, okay? Oh, it's heavy. Sea salt. I'm gonna let those sit. This is Jamaica with Jamaica Life. You don't have to be perfect to be a gardener. Just put a seed in the ground, water it, weed it a little bit, You have some fertilizer, use it. Even if it's your stuff, the stuff that you get from your kitchen or your animals, go ahead and do what you do. Because if you try, well, something's going to give. Something is going to happen. Everybody does it differently. Everybody. And almost all the people who try, I say 99%, get crops. They get food in. May not be a bunch, but it's better than nothing, and it's certainly better than some of the stuff we buy in the stores that are not, it's not really food anyway. This is Jamerica with Jamerica Life. I thank everybody for being with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. You hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. And if you subscribe, if you're watching me and you watch me a couple of times, please subscribe. This is Jamerica with Jamerica Life. I thank everybody for being with me. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.